Hello, doctor. Yeah, good day. I'm on my way. I'm on my way to the hospital. Has my wife given birth? Wow, thank God. To a bouncing baby, what? How can you say bouncing baby nothing? You mean the child is not even bouncing? Imbecile. My wife gave birth to an imbecile. She didn't even make it to front. It's imbecile. Doctor, before I get to the hospital, flush that child. How can you say the child cannot be flushed? So you go and say, "Madam, now, flush the child. I'm coming." Doctor. It's me, the man that the wife messed up in giving birth. Yes, that thing I told you in the hospital that I want to abortion a child. Is it possible? Doctor, I've not. I have child. I don't have any child, so I want you to abortion me one, even though it's a adult male grown up child that is not up to 2 years. That I will start training him. Just adult male grown up child that is not up to 2 years. Just give me, let me be training. Let my wife not let she remain in the hospital. If she doesn't want to give me, let her just be like that. That woman, she's over the bar. I don't know. Anytime I do my work, or she give birth to what I don't know. The other time she gave birth to me. Hello. How are you? Okay, fine. How is your husband? Okay. Yes, you heard it well. It's a good news. My wife had just delivered after 70 years of giving birth to almost what I don't know. Yes, so thank God. Yeah, okay. Congratulating her. What about me that did the major work? I said, what about me that did the major work? Or did I transfer the spam through Zenda or Bluetooth? I did it with my DK. They should congratulate me too now because that is how the issue is. Okay. Okay. But I have issue with the child. The child is not up to even 1 week, but he's swallowing apple. The way he leaves Akam and face the major facts of adults. I don't know what that child is. I don't know whether he was molded in the hospital. But I will soon find out the truth after all my investigations and carry.